Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Fitment channel. Guys, if you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the Honda Accord wheel spacers. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could slow spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut passed the SGS and TUV test report. The matching lug nut use 40 chrome material by continuously forging process. They have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strain resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.